Hi guys, today we got some air conditioners. We have a Bosch, it's not running, and we have a Bryant's, not on. I've seen this one run. It sounds pretty noisy, but right now it's not on. Okay, so yeah, here's the units.
Hello.
Might try to get a startup. Maybe have like the Bosch. I've never seen this one run. I don't know if it's because it got a problem, but the blades definitely turned, so this thing works for sure. Bosch's are pretty quiet. This Bryant's pretty loud. Don't know. Yeah, we need to read the data off these. Can't really get the data. Maybe I can.
Griffin, let's go.
There's the data. I can't read it. It's too blurry. The botch. Sorry about that. Okay. Bye, guys.